everyone to the Great Pakistani Food Show. Are you ready for the best samosas in the land?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chatori Gali Food Show. Today, our delicious friends will introduce themselves, so get ready. First, let's invite Samosa.
Hello, everyone. Wow, what a turnout. It's so great to be here on this beautiful stage.
I told you 1,000 times, I am not a pastry. I am a savory, deep-fried turnover, and I demand respect.
I am Biryani, the king of taste.
I am the best biryani in Pakistan. Everyone knows it. Just look at this perfectly cooked rice and juicy chicken.
I am the best Pakora in the whole wide world. Look at me jump!
I can jump higher than you.
Oh yeah, watch this!
Whee! Hi, I am Jalebi, sweet and happy. I'm a spinning jalebi. Catch me if you can. This is so much fun.
Greetings, my friends. I have arrived, and flavor is here to stay.
Thank you, everyone. We love you all.
That was incredible.